Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here in the shop Toyota Corolla. This one is base model and it's a 2016 model. And the person has at approximately 176,000 miles on the odometer. There is a problem with a driver headlight. So the complaint basically is that this headlight became flickering. And we have the amber here that has one bulb. Here is the low beam. There's another amber bulb there. And there is a high beam. This is how this whole headlight assembly is set up. Now, the flickering is happening here on the low beam. I hope I can show it to you. Let me try to duplicate the problem. First, I have to put the battery back and deal with the alarm. So here you can see, this is a low beam on both sides. This one is way more clear, at least for me. You can see the positions. This one is out, so that bulb should be replaced too. That's bad. Let's go to put it high beam together. There will be the push on this. And that's mainly when it was flickering. I hope I can duplicate it for you. It did it. I was able to see the complaint what the driver said. Oh yeah, it just did it first time. There was a little flicker in it. So this is the whole assembly. This is how it looks like. Not sure how much you will see it with the camera, which automatically tries to adjust to it. But this one is the problem. It was going like a very quick intermittent flickering. I'm trying my best to duplicate it for you. It was very clear when the vehicle came. I'm not sure why I cannot manage to show it to you, but trust me, this low beam was making a lot of flicker. The other one was perfectly steady. And the driver's side was having that intermittent light flickering. Now, why am I making the video? I want to save you time looking for the videos how to replace the bulb, because every single bulb is replaceable. This one, the other amber, and the high beam. This is a high beam, but the low beam is not. The low beam is part of the entire headlight assembly and it cannot be replaced. Oh, you can see it finally. I hope you did. It started making it. Oh yeah, look at it. I hope you see it. Maybe from here. Do you see that intermittent flicker? So it was doing when the engine is running or not. It's not based on the battery. I check all the grounds, everything, the battery terminals, everything was cleaned. This is going out. And the replacement is the entire assembly. Obviously, as you can imagine, there is a one bolt, 10mm, which is approximately here underneath the cover. So that entire front cover has to be removed to get to that one bolt. It's a 10mm, it's approximately right here. There's another 10mm and another 10mm. Also the grill, you start with the grill. So that's the procedure for 2014, 2015, 2016 Toyota Corolla base. You will think this vehicle was made cheap, and to be cheaply serviced and maintained, this is a little exception. As you can see, the whole headlight assembly has to go. I called Toyota dealer. It can be here in one day for a whopping $600. That includes the tax. $600 for one of those, plus the labor to remove the old one and install the new one. So that's a little short tech video for you guys. Don't waste your time looking for DIY video how to replace the low beam bulb on 2014, 2015 and 2016 Toyota Corolla. I have presented the owner of the vehicle with all the options which exist. I gave her Toyota prices, then I also gave her aftermarket prices. And basically you can replace preventatively both headlights, or one of them preventatively. It will cost you still less, including the labor, and 2 headlights, but still cost you less than 1 headlight from Toyota, so she chosen that. When the parts will come, I will try to schedule it the way I can film it for you. You can see the whole procedure in the future video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, if you like it, please give it a thumb up and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.